border once again. This time riding solo. Hopefully I'll be through here quite quick. Once I get through here, straight down to Fargo to do some shopping. Get some food for the week. Because I've got a feeling I'm going to be in America for quite a few days. That was super quick. Sorry, AK. I knew that guy was bad luck. The thing is, you'll have a good time with Dave. As I say, he's going over to Quebec City, so that is a long run for him. 1,600 miles. And he'll get to see Lake Superior and Ontario. And he's not seen them yet, and they are beautiful. First time you see Ontario driving through the forests, especially in the snow and the ice, amazing. I've got a just over a 19-hour journey ahead of me. I think I've got about 7 hours left to drive today. So that'll take it down to 12 hours. I've got all day driving tomorrow, so we're going to say 10 hours, and then 2 hours Monday morning to get there for 8. So, for sure it's not going to be, I'm kind of against the clock a little bit. 1,336 miles to do this afternoon and tomorrow, and finish off Monday morning. So it can be done. It's just a couple of long days ahead of me now, instead of chilling and showing AK the ropes. I'm just at Loves, just turned west on the I-94 at Fargo. First Loves that you come to, Valley City. I'm just warming up the engine, flashing up 2 critical issues, 1 non-critical. Basically the air pressure needs to build up, and the transmission fluid is frozen. You want to see this morning though? Just on the I-94. Oh man, it looks beautiful. Let's go outside. It's gonna be cold, -25 out there. Look at that. Beauty. Well guys, welcome to a beautiful frosty morning in North Dakota. I'm heading west. I've got about 2 hours left on this road, and then I'll be heading south. End destination is obviously Utah. So yeah, hopefully as I start going south, it's going to go a lot warmer. We'll see though.
Continue on route.
It doesn't feel like it at the moment. It's so cold. But I tell you what, oh my god, what a difference this truck makes. I am obviously sorry to see the old truck go. Had some really good adventures in it. But I cannot deny, I was sleeping on just under the summer duvet last night. I had my t-shirt on, and fine, absolutely fine all night. compared to the other truck where I'm under 2 duvets. I'm getting under the blanket, just using my breath to get like a warm pocket of air under the duvet. Huge difference. So yeah, I am liking this new truck, to be honest. Sorry to say. I was trying to hold on as best I could, but I'm happy I made the move just for the comfort factor. Okay guys, so I've got off the I-94 now. I'm now heading south on the 85. This goes through the bottom of North Dakota into South Dakota, and then I'll be heading west again on the 90 into Wyoming. That's where I'm going to fuel, so I'm going to cover a lot of ground this morning. I'm on just over half a tank. Got a good way to get to the Loves in Buffalo, Wyoming. And I get some fuel there. I'll have my half-hour break. I might even have a shower, treat myself. Still got 12 hours 40 until I get to my destination, and it's already 10:15. Alright, I'm back in business. Just had my half-hour rest. Got to the Loves at Buffalo. I think I had like 25 minutes left or something of the 8 hours before I need a break. So I've done a lot of my driving hours this morning. I've got just over 3 hours left of my day, and it's 10 to 4. Oh, that's not too bad. So cracking on with the journey, not wasting any time. It's literally half an hour for a shower. I'm ready to go. Wyoming. Got some mountains ahead of me, they're covered in cloud. You can just see it on the camera. I've got 6.5 hours left of the journey. I've got 1 hour 45 left of my driving for today. I found a rest area, Wyoming rest area, just south of Casper. That is 1 hour away, so I've basically got 5.5 hours to do tomorrow, and I'll be packing up at 6:30, start at 4:30, I'll get there for about 11, I think. So a little bit later than 8. That was pushing it though. The thing is, all these highways that I'm going on in the States, it'll give you a rough time of when you get into your destination. But the actual speed limit of these highways for a truck is 80 miles an hour. And I can only go 62 in this. So there's no way that every hour the time just goes up and up and up of when I'll get there. So it started off at about 8 and then it's gone up to roughly about 11 AM, which ain't bad, it is what it is. So at 11 AM tomorrow I should be getting this off. Climbed up quite high. The travel centre has actually put this elevation. It's pretty cool. Just need to turn right here, but yeah, way up in the hills here. Right, here we are, made it to the Wyoming Travel Center. It's absolutely dead. The zombie apocalypse is a big old travel center. So I'm gonna stay here tonight. And I'm actually gonna go for a run, I think. It's nice and empty, so I can do few laps of it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I'll have to work. I'll have to film one of them workout videos one day. They are quite good. I've just got these 2 dumbbells and I've just done 3 laps of this forecourt. It's quite big. And at the bottom end there's some benches and some bars, so did 1 lap, went down there, did like tricep dips and stuff like that. Another lap, back down there, same again, and then I've just come in the truck just to keep me moving, basically. I feel myself I was so unfit compared to what I was. My breathing, like with the running and stuff. I used to be quite a good runner. It's hard to train. It's having the time and the motivation some days when they're long days. But I'm done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a real healthy afternoon meal and then get settled in bed. It's been a nice trip down. I keep saying it. It's a shame AK can't be here. Because it has been. He would have liked it, I know he would. Because we were buzzing with Manitoba and Saskatchewan scenery. And that's just flat. So I would have loved it down here, but c'est la vie. Tomorrow I should finish this journey. I'll be in Utah. And then who knows where I'm going next. So join me then. Find out tomorrow. Night, guys. Checks are done. It's cold this morning. I'm not got the hang of the APU yet, the heater. For some reason, coming on for a bit and then shutting off, so it shut off all night. It's -11. Oh no. Okay, so I'm just getting into Linden. Nearly here. 3 miles off the junction. It's just off the junction. I don't know if you can see ahead. A nice view of the mountains to the south of Salt Lake City. It's like basically in a big bowl. Salt Lake City is right in the center of those mountains. It's awesome. I have got my next load and I'm going loading it right away. 12 minutes away. So they can't take it off me. This load is going further south in Utah. Below Salt Lake City, and basically I'm picking up this load. This is going all the way to Ontario. 2,000 mile trip, and it's going to be there in, well, 3 full days. I've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then scheduled for 10 AM on Friday, so I can do a few hours today. Definitely got my work cut out. It's gonna have to be early starts and early finishes so I can get that Friday morning delivery. So game head on. If I can get this done, that's 3,400 miles done since Sunday. Well, Saturday afternoon till Friday. That'll be 3,400 miles. Not bad.
In 1/2 mile, turn left. Turn left.
There we go. All loaded and strapped for Ontario. Look at the, that's what I mean by it. It's like I'm in a bowl surrounded by mountains. Some back there as well. It's a cool place. Oh, that took a while. That took a while. But I've got my paperwork. I'm going to go and park up. And that's me done for the day. I'll see how many hours I got left. I might do a bit of driving. We'll see. So I don't know what's happening with AK or any other trainees. You're gonna have to wait, I guess. I think AK will be with Dave for a bit, but he's just going back and forward across Canada. Just needs his border crossing. Dave don't go into the States. So I don't know what's happening with that. But I'm just setting off on a 2,031 mile, 31 hour trip to Ontario. That's the biggest one I've done so far. Huge distance. To covering 3 and a bit days. Jesus. And it's Monday afternoon. I've got 1 hour driving left. So that'll go to 30 hours left. And then yeah, I basically got till Friday to smash the miles. Thing is though, the speeds that you can go in the States are a lot faster than what I can go. So that 31 hours is more like 35, I'd say, over that distance. So I will do my best. I'll knock off an hour tonight, and then I'll just do big days up until Friday. guys, I'm in bed. I've had my evening meal. I've not done a workout because I've done 2 lots of tarping sessions. Unload today. That's enough. And I did it on a fast as well. So I've had a healthy tea, healthy meal, and now I'm going to get to bed because I'm shattered. And I'm basically going on an epic journey from west to east, right the way across the states, all the way past Chicago, through Detroit and into Ontario. So yeah, join me on that journey next time, guys. Thank you very much for watching my journey in my new truck down to Idaho. Thanks a lot. See you soon.